guys, my name is Sarah and I'm a mentor for Beyond Education. I just wanted to take some time to share some tips about how to promote writing with your little ones just using the environment around you. So my first tip is to label your environment. So encourage kids to label things around your house, whether it's a lamp or a chair or the microwave. Now these things might not be spelled correctly, but that's totally okay. It's just encouraging them to write and see their words posted around. You also want to encourage them to stretch out their words as well as form their letters correctly. You can find tips on how to do that on Pinterest, and I'll provide our link with this video that has ideas already set aside for you. Another great tip is to make posters and signs to put outside during this time of social distancing. I've seen kids put posters in their yards, on chairs, or post little signs on their mailbox, just as words of encouragement as people are going on their daily walks. There was even one that was a big piece of wood that was painted that encouraged the neighborhood to participate in writing what they were thankful for. And that was really cool because everyone got to interact with that. My third tip is to create an art gallery wall where kids will create paintings or drawings, but encourage them to label what they have in their drawings or paintings. And my fourth tip is to practice chalk. Use the chalk in your driveway. That's a great way to write and get outside and have some fun. I hope these tips are helpful and you can use some of them during this time of social distancing and online learning. Have a great day. Thank you.